Hello, in front of me I've got Odys Thanos 10. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay app. Tap Get Started. And as you can see, from the homepage of Google Pay you can add payment methods or different types of cards. If you go to menu, you've got access to all of your payment methods, full list of participating banks, you can learn how to pay, and you've got access to your activity. In settings, you can enable or disable email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay, purchase notifications, updates about your passes, offers and tips, and you can edit your account info. Then we've got contactless setup, which is unavailable on this phone because it doesn't have NFC. Next, we've got help and support, send feedback, and in the end, access to our Google accounts. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.